Let's start by talking about what .NET MAUI is. MAUI, not just an interesting name, it stands for Multi-Application User Interface, and it's really all about creating cross-platform applications using a single project. So we talk about multi-application, but it is really multi-user interfaces or multi-platform instances or interfaces for a single application. MAUI is actually an evolution of series of cross-platform products from Microsoft. Started with Xamarin, which was a standalone company before they joined Microsoft. And then came Xamarin.Forms, and .NET MAUI follows on that Xamarin.Forms platform. So that evolution has included building native UIs and having multiple projects, but being able to share code in a library, all written in C#. So you'd be still building storyboards for iOS and you'd use activities for Android, but you'd write it with C#. And you'd have an iOS project and an Android project and a Windows project, for example. With Xamarin.Forms, you would still have that shared project, but you could actually define shared user interfaces. So you could use XAML to define a particular interface and it would be then be shared across the different platforms. So the shared controls would be compiled down to native controls for iOS, Android, and Windows. I want to add one clarification to put .NET MAUI in context because it is one of two technologies from Microsoft for building a shared UI. Blazor is the other technology you may have heard of. .NET MAUI uses C# and XAML for UI to build cross-platform applications, and it is really focused on mobile applications. We want to build a native iOS and native Android or Windows application that runs on this platform. Whereas Blazor uses C# and HTML web markup language, and it is really web focused. It's about building single page application style applications for web and being able to run, of course, application platforms but in browser. And you can bring these things together. Blazor controls can be used in MAUI applications. You can use MAUI to host Blazor applications or controls to reuse them and bring them into a mobile environment. But there are two different approaches depending on what your target is. So if you are building applications for mobile, that's where we are in with .NET MAUI.
Hope you all liked watching this video. If you do, please do like this video and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to watch the next video in this current playlist. Bye bye.